Hello, this is Rachel from CypressTextiles, and welcome to the Learn to Crochet Learning Portal Level 2. Today we're going to make a double crochet, maybe the most common stitch in crochet that there is. So this is an exciting stitch. This Shape Just Callista is going to show us how to make a double crochet. So to get started, I'm going to make a slip knot and chain 7. All right, so I've got my slip knot on the hook here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now just to double check how many chains I have here, ignore your leading loop and just count your chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we've got our leading loop. So in order to make our double crochet, we're going to yarn over and we're going to crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So I have my leading loop that I ignore, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Going into the bottom loop of this chain only. So we're going to leave the bottom loop exposed. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook again, and that is our double crochet. So like I said, it might be the most common stitch in crochet. So to show you how it goes again, just yarn over, insert your hook into the bottom loop of your chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and draw the yarn through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and draw the yarn through 2 loops on your hook again. So now you have 2 double crochet stitches here. Okay, just so you can watch it again a couple more times. I'm going to show you how it looks when it's at normal speed. Go through this final chain here. Okay, and that is the double crochet. All right, and then in our next video, I'll show you guys how to make a treble crochet. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the double crochet stitch, and happy crafting!